Hello everyone. I want to thank each and every one of us for the work that we have put in. I am seeing what we are doing. I am super impressed. For those of us who have not been able to catch up yet, don't feel overwhelmed, don't feel discouraged. You still have time to catch up and to meet up. So please just put in the time, and I assure you that you'll be able to catch up. But those of us who are still here, kudos. Welcome to day 3 of the 5-day create your ebook challenge, and in today's video we will be learning how to design our ebook covers and how to sell our ebooks. To design your ebook cover, you need to understand what your book is about so that you get a picture that illustrates your book to your readers. You know that you will not be there to explain to your readers what your book is about. So your book should be able to speak for itself without you necessarily being present. So you need to understand what your book is about so that you pick a picture that is relevant to your book. So your cover has to somehow illustrate to your readers what your book is about. There are so many places where you can get pictures from. Stock photos, photos that are free from copyright, photos you can use for free. So you can use stock images, and once you are sure of the image that you want, then you can design your ebook cover. There are so many platforms to design your ebook cover, but my favorite one is Canva. I use the Canva app to design my ebook covers, and it is super easy. The Canva app has the free and the pro version. For beginners, I advise that you use the free version for now. You can upgrade later. So on your Canva app, you just type in book cover and it gives you the dimension, it gives you everything. So all you just have to do is to edit it. If you already have a picture, you can upload your photo to the Canva app. If you don't have a picture, Canva can also provide pictures for you. So you can use Canva templates, you can use Canva photos to prepare or design your ebook cover. How do you sell your ebook? I don't know if we can remember how we got into this challenge. Do you know that I did not pay a dime to get each and any one of you to this challenge? I marketed the challenge for free, and that's what I want to show you. How did I go about it? I'm a member of so many groups on Facebook, and in one of the groups that I belong to, somebody made a post where the person was complaining about being defrauded. I think she had her money out and all of that. I can't really remember the details. And I just posted that, you won't have gotten yourself into this situation if you had other source of making money. Anyway, I'm here to offer you this free training that would help you self-publish, and then you'll be able to make money, and you wouldn't need, to be doing what you did that got you into this situation. That was what I did, and immediately the response was enormous. So put yourself in Facebook groups, join groups on Facebook, join your church community, anywhere where there are people. Just put yourself there, and then be active, be an active member in these groups. I'm not saying you should spam people, no, but for instance, if somebody makes a post and says, please, see my face, how do I remove dark spots from my face? You will now go and advertise your book. To remove dark spots, do this. In fact, to know more, kindly just send me a message and I'll tell you more. And that's it. So it's not, you don't come out to say, I have a book that teaches you. No, you don't do that. You try to answer people's questions, to solve people's problems, and whilst doing it, you now talk about your product or your book. That's how to sell without selling. That's how to market your ebooks organically. So my assignment for us right now, we already know what we're writing about. We have already designed our covers. Why don't you just find groups on Facebook, see what the conversation is about, and find a way of marketing your book in the conversations? I hope this has helped you, and I can't wait to see you in the next class.